As you know that the gravitation is the lesson science of science first, that we are learning here. In this lesson on page number 7 we have an example, and so many students are called me that they are going harder to that example. So I just want to share my thoughts and help you, so you will just join me and get this example easily in easy way. Okay, let's start. Let's see this example. What is here? Starting from the rest, what will be Mahendra's velocity after 1 second if he is falling down due to the gravitational force of the earth? It is very easy that they want to learn, they want to calculate the Mahendra's velocity. Okay, so let's see this. What is there in that example? In earlier example, that means example number first, we have taken the Mahendra's weight, and Mahendra's weight is 75 kilogram. Okay, now he is starting from the rest, so that u, that is initial velocity, is equals to 0. And as you know that again we are turning towards the first example, F is equals to 733, that is the gravitational force of Mahendra, which we have been calculated in example number first. Now due to the gravitational force of earth, okay, 1 second is the time period, this is the time after 1 second, this is the time period, so t is equals to 1 second. This example is very easy, that's why for that reason we need equation number first, Newton's equation number first. Let's see what is the equation number first. This is v is equals to u plus a t. What is v? Velocity, which is final velocity. U is the initial velocity. V is equals to u plus at. V is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration due to gravity, and t is the time period. So that time period we have 1 second, acceleration we don't have, that's why we want to find first acceleration. For that reason we have formula. This is about Newton's second formula, second law, F is equals to m into a. This is about the inertia, and F is equals to m into a, so we want to find a is equals to F by m, and we have both values, F, that is force, here 733, and mass 75 kilogram. So let's start and put the value and get the example answer. See, gravitational force, that is force 733 Newton divided by mass of Mahendra 75 kilogram, and our answer will be 9.77. okay, meter per second. Now we don't have this value, otherwise what we can say, we do not need this one, we need 9.77. we don't need a, we need v, that is velocity. We are going to find velocity, not acceleration. To find velocity we need acceleration, that's why we have taken first acceleration, thereafter we are turning towards the velocity. And now this is the final step of this example. V is equals to u plus a t. What is the value of u? It is initial velocity, this is 0, plus what is the value of a? It is 9.77 multiplied by what is the value of t, that is time period, it is 1 second, so that it is 1. okay, now see, 9.77 multiplied by 1, it is nothing but 9.77, and this is our velocity v, and it is the unit of this one, meter per second. okay, this is our answer. See this, friends.